is a ukulele tutorial for Heather by Conan Gray, and there is a matching play-along video to go with this on my Ukulaliens channel. I've had loads of requests for this song, both as a play-along and as a tutorial, and I've got to admit I didn't actually know the song, but I think it suits the uke really well. So I'll run through the chords, show you what I think is a good suggested strum pattern, and then you can pop over to the Ukulaliens to have a go at the play along. Right, let's take a little look at the chords. Now, some of them are simpler, some of them it gives us a good opportunity to practice them. So the first chord, really nice and straightforward, A minor, 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, right, now then this one looks a bit trickier, B flat minor. The way I suggest to play this is play it as a bar chord. So put your first finger across all the strings on your 1st fret, and then use your ring finger to play your 3rd fret on the G string. So it should sound, okay, B flat minor. Now, if you're not pressing all those strings hard enough or firmly enough, it's not going to sound very nice. So if you're getting that sound, it's just you're not putting your bar finger on hard enough onto the string. So really make sure you give it a really good press. Okay, B flat minor. Then our next chord is B flat major 7. It sounds scarier than it is. 1st fret on the E string, 2nd fret, and I use my middle finger on this one, on the C string, and then my ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the G string. So B flat major 7 should sound, okay, I'll play it again. All right, then we've got D minor, so 1st finger on the E string on the 1st fret, and then we put our 2nd fret on the C string and 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, I tend to put my middle finger across onto the G string and tuck my ring finger onto the C string for D minor. Okay, and then F, you just take your ring finger off. So you've got your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the E string and your middle finger 2nd fret on the G string, so your F chord. Okay, so the chords are in the order for the song now, and they stay in this order throughout the whole song, okay? So, first one, F, then A minor, then D minor, nice and straightforward so far, then B flat major 7. You leave your 1st finger as an anchor, don't move it. Then you're gonna put your middle finger across one string, still on 2nd fret, so that's gonna be 2nd fret on the C string, and then you're gonna move your ring finger, your 3rd finger, to the 3rd fret on the C string. Okay, I'll do that again. So D minor, move your middle finger across and stretch your ring finger onto the 3rd fret. All right, and then from B flat major 7, you use your ring finger as the anchor, don't move that, and put your 1st finger, bar it across all the strings on fret 1. Okay, I'll do that move once more. So B flat major 7, go into B flat minor, and I would practice those 2 moves, okay? And then it just goes back to F again and keeps going around like that for the song. Okay, so the strumming, all right? As always, it's only a suggestion. It does work and it's not your normal island strum, but if you want to do something different, no problem. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I'll do it on an F chord nice and slowly. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down. You do that 4 times on the F, 4 times on the A minor, 4 times on the D minor, then only twice on the B flat major 7 chord and twice on the B flat minor. So it should sound something like this. A minor, D minor, B flat major 7, B flat minor, back to F. Okay, and that's pretty much how the song goes, round and round like that. There are 1 or 2 single strums at the end of phrases as well, okay? So just a little bit of the song to give you an idea. So F to start. A minor. See, it's not too fast. Okay, I'm no singer. So go over to the Ukulaliens and have a go at the play along, okay? So I do hope that has helped. It is only a quick tutorial. The whole point now is go and try out the play along on the Ukulaliens channel so you can actually sing and play along to the original, okay? Don't forget, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.